Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How much can you sue for a false accusation? This is a question many people ask, often after their reputation has been unfairly damaged. The short answer is, it depends. There is no magic number or online calculator for this. The amount of money you can potentially win in a lawsuit, called damages, is based entirely on the harm you can prove you suffered. The main legal claim for a false accusation is called defamation. Defamation is a false statement, communicated to a third party, that harms your reputation. If it's spoken, it's called slander. If it's written, like in an email, social media post, or article, it's called libel. To figure out how much a case might be worth, courts look at three types of damages. First, there are actual or special damages. These are the specific, calculable financial losses you've incurred because of the false statement. Did you lose your job? You can sue for the lost wages. Did you lose a business contract? You can sue for that lost income. Did the stress and anxiety require you to see a therapist? You can sue for those medical bills. You need receipts, pay stubs, and invoices to prove these losses. They are the most straightforward part of the calculation. Second, there are general damages. This is compensation for harm that doesn't have a specific price tag, like emotional distress, mental anguish, public humiliation, and damage to your reputation. How do you put a number on that? It's very difficult, and this is where the value of a lawsuit can vary wildly. A jury will listen to your story and decide what they believe is a fair amount to compensate you for your suffering. This could be a few $1,000s or, in very serious cases, much more. Third, and most rarely, there are punitive damages. These aren't meant to compensate you for your loss, they are meant to punish the person who made the false accusation. To get punitive damages, you typically have to prove that the defendant acted with actual malice, meaning they knew the statement was false and said it anyway, or they acted with a reckless disregard for the truth. This is a very high bar to clear. Punitive damages are reserved for the most outrageous and harmful cases. It's also important to remember that laws vary by state, and suing someone is expensive and time-consuming. You have to prove your case, and even if you win, you can only collect money if the person you sued actually has it. So, while some high-profile defamation cases result in multi-million-dollar verdicts, the average case is far more modest and depends entirely on the provable harm done to your finances and your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more clear explanations of complex legal topics.